Hello everyone, this is Koshey channel with you again, and in this video, I'll tell you how to place your design onto a mockup. You're probably already wondering what is a mockup, and I'll explain. A mockup is a real photograph onto which you can place your design to show how it would look in real life. So, let's get started. To place our design onto the mockup, click File, then Place Embedded, and select our design. After that, roughly adjust it to fit the size of the movie theater screen. Click the check mark. And to make our image look correct in relation to the theater's perspective, go to Edit, Transform, and then Distort. Align the corners of our design with the corners of the mockup. And now our image is already on the movie theater screen. Thank you all for watching. Like the video, subscribe to my channel, and goodbye everyone.